Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video, I'll be going ahead and doing an unboxing of this sunset lamp that I got from Amazon for myself because I really wanted to go ahead and try it out and see how it looks. So if this is something that you would like to see, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. And also if you are someone who loves watching such kind of videos, haul videos, unboxing videos, makeup videos, then make sure that you please consider subscribing and be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube. And also don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now let's quickly jump into the video. First of all, let me be honest with you that I couldn't resist myself, so I went ahead and I opened this box and I saw everything that's there in this. But just for this video purpose, I went ahead and I packed everything as it was when I received this particular package. So I'll just go ahead and first read out the description and tell you the price of this particular sunset lamp that I got. I got it from Amazon, and this lamp is from the brand called Kuja, Kuja, and it's a portable sunset projection lamp for photography, videography, TikTok, YouTube, living room and house decor, etc. 4-in-1 color changing sunset, sunlight, sun red, rainbow, night lights, pack of 1. I got it for $2.99, but right now I can see the price. They have increased the price. Now it's priced at $3.99, but I was lucky enough to get it for just $2.99, which is like just for $300. But you can definitely go ahead and keep an eye on this particular sunset lamp. But if you get it on sale for around $300, then it's absolutely worth it. Now let me just go ahead and do the unboxing of this particular box, which is already unboxed. So this is what I got, and this is what this is what the outer packaging of the sunset lamp looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this out for you. It's written Q07 sunset lamp and there's no description, nothing. Everything, all the information, you will definitely get it on the Amazon page. This is what you get. I'll just go ahead and show you one by one everything that's inside this. So this is like a stand, what do you call it? Yeah, stand, wherein you have to go ahead and attach this. This is like an attachment that you get, and you just have to go ahead and twist it in and make sure that it is nicely secured in here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the actual lamp. This is the actual lamp. You get this USB cord with it, but with this you also get this films, or what do you call this? These are like color changing films that you get. Over here they have shown 5 different shades. I have over here is this 3 or 4 different lights or shades, you can call it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and first fix this and show it to you how it actually looks like. You do get this screw thingy right here on which you have to go ahead and attach this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So it's like a beautiful sunset lamp that you can keep it on your desk or on your dressing table or any area, and you can get a good sunset kind of vibe. Alright, so I have my mobile charger right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in here. So this is what the light looks like, if you can see. Oh god, but it's very bright. I cannot directly see into this. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off the light and show you how it actually looks in a dark room. I went ahead and I switched off both my lights. I have no lights over here except the natural light that is peeping through the window. This is what it looks like, and I absolutely love this. It is a very good device or very good light in case if you love photography, if you love clicking pictures, then you can go ahead and use this light. And I'll just show it to you how it actually looks in here. Do you see that? you cannot directly see into this light because it is kind of blinding to the eyes, so you have to keep that in mind. But make sure that you don't directly see into it, and make sure that you have this lamp at a distance. I'm going to go ahead and try all of these three and show it to you. And let me be honest, opening this and putting a different film is actually a task. You have to be careful while doing it, and you always have to make sure that you take it off.
Oh my goodness, I might break my nail. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. Even that day when I opened this, I could not figure it out how to open. My dad kind of helped me in checking all of these films, but now since I'm here alone, I have to figure it out and see how I could do it. Hope I just don't break this.
Oh, finally, it's out, and this is what it actually looks like. There is this light in here, and this is the film that you get. This is the glass that's inside this, which kind of gives that round effect. Now I'm going to put this orangey film into this, and let's see, again it's a task for me.
How do I even do this? Am I right? Am I doing it right? No. I messed it up. Did I do it right? Okay. Is it? Alright. Okay. That's right. I did it.
So yes, let me just go ahead and show you. I'm not going to put this on a stand now because then it's going to take too much of my time. And this is what... Oh, is there any light? Let me just turn off the light and show you. I love this. This has a very, what do you call it? A very golden hour kind of a vibe to this particular film that I use, and you can definitely see it over here. It has a very golden hour kind of a vibe, and my makeup is looking absolutely stunning with this. I think this is an RGB light. I don't know. I think these two films are the same, the first one that I showed you and this one. I don't know. If you can make it out, then let me know in the comments down below if you see there's a difference between this one and the first film that I showed you. But this is what this particular light looks like. I'm just showing it to you over here on this wall. It looks beautiful. Yes, this is like your morning sun, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and now my battery is running really low. My battery is actually running really low, so I need to go ahead and end this video here itself. So yes, if you did like this video, I mean if you loved watching this video, and if you did like it, then please go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.